Today we're dealing with this guy right here. This is an EVAP charcoal canister. Very, very exciting. And what it does is that it stores hydrocarbons from your vehicle's fuel system into the charcoal canister. Now what can happen over time is that it can clog. So today I'll show on how to remove this from your vehicle, place it on a bench, and do a very quick test to see if it is indeed clogged or if it's flowing correctly. Now we do have a number of EVAP repair videos. I will add this to that playlist. Additionally, this will be on Carsntoys.net. If you click on the trouble code section on the site, you'll see we have a number of EVAP repair videos. Just go ahead, check those out, and I will add that to that list as well. This is where the EVAP canister is located on this vehicle. It's right after the rear driver's side wheel. And we have a couple of mounts. There's one right here. There's another guy up here. They're 10 millimeters. So I'm going to spray them down with WD-40. And start by doing this slowly because you don't want this to break. Again, WD-40, PB Blaster, whatever you have. And then right on top here we have the vent control valve. You have a harness connector. We're going to leave this on. Just remove the harness connector. And then you have a mount. Let me see if I can get this for you guys. You have a mount. There's one right here. And you have another one right back here. Okay. Now we have the canister on the bench, and right here we left this hosing on. This is your fresh air vent hose. But at the end of the hose, you want to pinch it. So I'm just using zip ties here, or a zip tie, to pinch the end. And what we want to do is focus on the ports. Now you have two ports. This is where we removed those two rubber hoses earlier before. This is a smaller diameter port and a larger diameter port. Now what we want to do is blow air into the smaller diameter port, and the air should come right out on the other side. And what I'm going to do is just use a piece of hose and just clean it off real quick. And just so you guys can see this, I'll place the end of this paper towel, and that way you can see exactly what's going on here. So again, as I blow air into this, it should come out on the other side. So let's take a look. As you can see, there is air flowing right through it. So that verifies that this canister is working correctly. That's all it takes to test the canister. And it's very quick and easy. So this canister is working correctly. I'm going to reinstall it in the vehicle. If you have any EVAP codes, feel free to visit our website at carsntoys.net. We have a number of EVAP trouble codes on that website. It's under the trouble code section on the site. And of course, you can also search our YouTube page. Until then, we'll see you next time.